of Interstate 44. Damaging winds and large hail are the primary hazards. Flooding will become a concern beginning Friday night and lasting through the day on Sunday, especially across western North Texas and southern Oklahoma. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook.
There we go. There it is. Come on. Tornado watch. Yes, we got one in this thing.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 213, effective until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
1, 2, 3.
This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, McLean, Oklahoma, and Potawatomi. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Okay then.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Alright.
From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for...
It's here!
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh shoot, they update the Tornado Watch again. This is the second time they've done this.
Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles.
Hold on a second.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crescent, Marshall, Mohall, Orlando, Douglas, and Lovell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for...
This is a severe thunderstorm warning. Why did I start in portrait mode? That is terrible.
Tornado Watch number 213 has been extended until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time and expanded to include the following counties in Oklahoma: Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, and Payne. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapid...
Yeah, I knew they were gonna issue something like that. Because they updated it.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Tornado Watch number 213, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned.
Oh! Something's going on! There we go.
The National Weather Service in Norman has
Severe thunderstorm warning.
thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, western Oklahoma County in central
Oklahoma County.
eastern Canadian
We're in a severe thunderstorm warning right now.
time.
We're in a severe thunderstorm warning.
A severe thunderstorm was located over southwestern Oklahoma City, Oregon, 5 miles west of Mustang, moving north at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs,
It just got
and vehicles.
issued,
Expect wind damage to roofs,
and
siding, and trees.
I'm in it.
Locations impacted include
Let
Western
me just
Oklahoma
copy
City,
this.
Western Edmond, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, The Village, Tuttle, Piedmont, Nichols Hills, Union City, Mingo, Woodland Park, and Richland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh boy.
A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
The tornado watch has already been talked about.
Tornado watch number 213 has buildings. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned.
Oh boy. Tornado warning! Oh shoot, there's a tornado warning! For Canadian and Grady County.
Has issued a tornado warning
For Canadian and Grady County.
In central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma. Until
I know we're not no longer
Central
near it.
Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles west of Bridge Creek, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southwestern Oklahoma City, Mustang, Tuttle, and Bridge Creek. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 96 and 97.
4 miles west
Take
of
cover
Bridge
now.
Creek.
Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle,
Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. That was it.
The National Weather Service can if you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in
OKC. I was just reading this. Gosh dang. Oh no. Cleveland, Grady, and McLean.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bridge Creek, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
There's actually many people
Damage to
about
roofs,
this.
windows, and vehicles will occur.
To be honest,
Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southern Oklahoma City, northwestern Norman, Moore, Newcastle, Blanchard, Tuttle, Amber, and Bridge Creek. This includes the following highways. Interstate 35 between mile markers 111 and 120. Interstate 44 between mile markers 88 and 114. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect. A severe thunderstorm warning.
There's something else. Tornado warning. Doesn't even say any counties. Oh.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southern Grady County in central Oklahoma until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Agawam, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail.
I'm pretty sure that this only rings only if it like mentioning like a county for like my county or a county near my county. Frick! This stupid purse! I've been using it for a phone stand this entire time. Yeah, sure.
Alec, Bradley, Aguam, and Ninakal.
Ninaka.
Cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a home or in a vehicle,
move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
A severe thunderstorm warning.
Noises calling, pick up phone. Noises calling, pick up phone.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio.
Oh boy.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bridge Creek, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southern Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Newcastle, Blanchard, Tuttle, Bridge Creek, and Stanley Draper Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 108 and 120. Interstate 44 between mile markers 97 and 114. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Doubleheader. Oh, so there's a doubleheader? I said there's a doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, western Logan County in central Oklahoma, west central Payne County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cassia, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crescent, Cashin, Covington, Cedar Valley, Marshall, Mohall, Cimarron City, Orlando, Douglas, Lovell, Lucene, and Hayward. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornado watches include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size.
Not for us, I can guarantee you that. Not for us, I can guarantee you that.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Rush Springs, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Rush Springs, Alik, Agawam, and Acme. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in has entries. Locations. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Grady County in central Oklahoma, West Central McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Alik, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newcastle, Blanchard, Diggle, Washington, Cole, Alik, Bridge Creek, Middleburg, and Tadler. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. The severe thunderstorm warning for
our county.
the National Weather Service.
It scared the crap out of me.
A tornado warning for southeastern Oklahoma County.
Oh no.
Northeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh no.
At 8:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over southeastern Oklahoma City or over Stanley Draper Lake, moving east at 20 miles an hour.
Shoot.
Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail.
Shoot, the sirens are going off.
Radar-indicated threat rotation.
Shoot.
The following effects are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
There it goes.
Southeastern Oklahoma City, northeastern Norman, Choctaw, Harris, Stanley Draper Lake, Stella,
What?
Walla, and Tinker Air Force Base. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 163 and 173. Interstate 240 between mile markers 10 and 16.
I'm shaking.
Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or
Yes?
room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Hope so.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle,
Okay.
I want to save your batteries for in case we need to go inside of the storm shelter.
Yeah. Ooh.
Heading to the storm, headed towards Goldsby, tornado shelter, innermost room right now. On the left-hand side of your television screen, we know there's debris getting picked up within this.
That's all
we can see
south
it
of us.
with our debris
South
tracker.
of us?
Let me go
Pretty
on to
far
Nick
south of us.
Smith. Nick has a bit of a different perspective of this. Nick, we have
Okay, so we
debris
might be good. Oh, okay, we're good.
the National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for north central Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, southwestern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma.
Potawatomi? That's in Shawnee. Well, somewhere in there.
Until 9:30
Oh wait,
Central Daylight
never
Time.
mind. That's like south of
8:57 p.m. Central Daylight
Hera.
Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Byers, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Asher, Gwinnett, Byers, St. Louis, Rosedale, and Rosedale.
Sorry, kitty.
Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of the street.
Ah, shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Flood advisory from way over there. There's the tornado warning for Potawatomi. Get off. Get off. Stop it. Get off.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, west central Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, west central McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Cole, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: Broadcast Media confirmed tornado. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, Norman, Noble, Slaughterville, Goldsby, Cole, Etowah, Stella, Lake Thunderbird, and Little Axe. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 99 and 108. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to
Whoa.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for central Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, west central McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Diggle, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southern Norman, Purcell, Noble, Slaughterville, Lexington, Goldsby, Diggle, Washington, Cole, and Kreiner. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 93 and 104. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The heck? Oh shoot! It's a double header.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for west central Seminole County and east central Oklahoma, southwestern Pottawatomie County and central Oklahoma until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
There's gonna be a triple
At
header.
9:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was
And the
located
third one's
overhead,
gonna be for me.
moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
We'll be fine.
Damage
It's
to
just
roofs,
barely in our
windows,
county.
and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Maud,
Alright, but still, there's gonna be a triple header.
Gwinnett, St. Louis, Harjo, and
And the
Trousdale.
third one's gonna be for me.
Cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Alright, here we go. Yep, there it is. This one's for me. Scared the crap out of me. Hated it so loud.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma.
Southeastern,
northeastern
barely in
Cleveland County
southeastern
and central
Oklahoma.
West central Pottawatomie County and central Oklahoma until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over southeastern Norman, Oregon, 4 miles northeast of Noble, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, eastern Norman, Noble, Pink, Brooksville, Stella, Uwalla, Lake Thunderbird, and Little Axe. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 170 and 175. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or
I'm not
in a
concerned
vehicle,
about it. It's
move to the
barely in my
closest
county.
substantial
I'll be
shelter and protect yourself from
Gucci.
flying debris.
As they say.
Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. What? Flooding caused by
What?
excessive rainfall.